Ngatho nyingi muno makiria mwiroreri mwende wa ceceni ya Kameme TV miaraho ino ya umuthi tugakunyita na njira ya gitio tukumenyithie maria maragithie na mbere na gukihanika na maria makihanikite thini wa icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi umuthi tugitiriha mweri wa muthatu ari tariki 30 ni gatatu ga kiumia ni njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a tuguko tugiteithania na Nyambura wa Musha mutwathiriri na njira ya ciko twambiririe mohoro maitu miaraho ino. President William Ruto ni oritie atongoria akuma mwena wa Meru maige keheri-ini uthu wake uteti na ithenya-ini riu maige uthi wa na mbere muhari-ini wa mbere. Akiaria rithingira-ini wa iregi riria aracemanirie na atongoria ya president maririkanitie ati atongoria makaigirirwo kigeri-ini kuringana na uria mahotete gutungatira muingi. Mucemanio wa Ruto na atongoria a Meru ukite riri nake uria urari minister wa urimi Mithika Linturi na murunawe utungata wa muingi Justin Muturi marenyitithanirie na mwena wa mung'ethaniro.
Unekana kigina gia kwambiriria biacara
mabote gwa apply ya ino na opportunities ino nikenda mabote gwikuria income iria maragwata na mathomo nikenda mabote makore minus skills na mabote go create opportunities even for other young.
Karani augite mbeu njithi aria mari gatagati wa miaka 18 nginyagia 29
tugacunga muherani mutukanio ucio wa bisha tuguku negeraga ripoti kuma county-ini ya Meru na nirikitie kuhia reke tumia mukire.
Journey of building Meru. Be united, mutapata baraka ya Mungu na sisi wote tutaungana kupeleka Meru mbele wakati tunapeleka Kenya mbele. So it is important for me to say this to you as leaders from Meru, that unity is important, and I want you to maintain the unity of the people of Meru. Protect the unity of the people of Meru, because it is what will make a difference between whether we are making progress or we are mark timing or we are going backwards. We are making steady progress. But I also want to ask you as the people of Meru to be united so that together we can push the development of our country. Hata kama tutakuwa na mashindano ya siasa, hiyo ni kawaida. Tuko na mashindano huko mwisho. Na huko mashindano ya siasa ikifika, kila mtu atakuja na scorecard yake. Kama wewe ni MCA ujipange. Na scorecard yako. Wewe mbunge ujipange na scorecard yako. Mimi nitajipanga na scorecard yangu. Si ndio? Gavana wewe namna hiyo ujipange. Tuende tufanye hiyo mtihani, mwenye kupata anaendelea, mwenye kukosa anaenda kulima. Tunasonga mbele na Kenya.
Arimi ya kahua kuma county-ini ya Embu ni matanyite kuona umithio munene thutha wa kuiyukia urimi wa kimerera uria ugacirithitie maciaro ma kahua. Tabarĩra ĩno yambĩrĩirio ni thirikari ya county na matanya ma kuhura njeki arimi niguo kumahotithia kugia na umithio wa kibeca.
Makiria ya arimi 2,500 a thothaiti ya kahua ya murume kuma kaunti ya Embu ni mamukirite mathomo megie urimi wa kimerera niguo kumahotithia kugacirithia maciaro ma kahua. Kuhitukira tabarĩra ĩno iria yambĩrĩirio ni thirikari ya county unyitanĩri-inĩ na thirikari ya bũrũri wa Korea, arimi makoretwo magithomithio njira cia gwithondekera bataraitha na dawa cia tutambi kuhitukira indo ngurani iria mari nacio miciini yao.
Tukoretwo tukirima na dawa imwe hamu iraturetera mirimo na mathina mengi muno. No kuma nambiriria kurima kirimo kia eco-friendly chairman mirimo gutierengi.
Kithomo giki ni gia kuthondeka na kuona results. Tetora twira kwa kana tukuthomithia ndawa ri ukite ya kuthiria mbevo no vuvira ndawa eno ndwese kulethodekretwe wata mkulima wa good neighbors ukaugaga nie monetwe gutumira njinja ngatumira gitunguru saumu.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa thothaiti ino kuri na mwihoko munene wa maundu gucenjia arimi magitanya baita makiria ukiringithania na hau kabere.
Niturona ni tukuongera production bitu iyo twenayo riu ni kuthie so far ni turabata ku produce 1.1 million previously. Niturona ni tukuinzu ni gukura kwina double production ya more than 2 million per annum.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Embu Cecily Mbarire ataririe ati tafarira ino ni ratwarana na mubango wa thirikari nene wa gutigirira arimi a kahua bururi-ini ni megira na umithio wa kibesha.
Gogo tunge reduce cost ya input cietu fertilizer na dawa nwago murimi agutetheka tugote kuriba murimi pesa mbega.
Ona kuhanura uguo akiuria maafitha aria marathomithia arimi gutigirira ni makinyira arimi aingi o tauria kwahoteka gutigirira othe ni megira na umithio kuhitukira tafarira ino.
And we are very happy that now we have trainers who can help to come and train more farmers for us through the NAF CDP.
Able to train, upgrade facilities, and develop opportunities to diversify sales channels so that Embu's coffee can reach global markets. Our TOT, we raised over 100 skilled trainers who I believe have continued to disseminate this knowledge into their communities.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jutagwo Ngina wa Waduro.
Igoti nene niriteanirie watho wa kugiria mirurungano gatagati ka mucii wa Nairobi mukana uria waheanitwo ni uria wari kamanda wa borithi Adamson Bungei hindi ya mirurungano ya gutetia watho wa kigina mwaka muhituku. Mucirithania munene Bahati Mwamuye akiheana mwerekero uyu augite kugiria mirurungano ino ni kwagararite icunji cia gatiba cia kuiturura ona kururungana na njira ya thayu. Gukiri uguo igoti ni riathanite uthukangia wa muigana wa ciringi milioni 2.2 kuri andu 11 aria mahandire cira kuria o umwe afatie kuriho hathara ya ngiri 100 o mundu. Kenya ni moritio kuhimbiria uhuthiri wa irio hamwe na indo cia GMO guku bururi-ini kuona ni hetukeire mitaratara iria ifataranitie na gutigirira gutiri ugwati ungicungiririo ni uhuthiri wa irio ici. Ni ritana rikitio ni gikundi kia ataramu a ugima wa mwiri aria ningi maugite uhuthiri wa irio cia GMO ni uguteithia kuhurana na ngaragu iria koretwo ikigumira bururi mahinda kwa mahinda kumana na ucenjia wa riera.
Uhuthiri wa irio cia GMO guku bururi-ini ukoretwo ugitungio uregani munene na muno makiria ne ikundi itari cia githirikari. Ĩndĩ ataaramu a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ morĩtie a Kenya kũhĩmbĩria ũhũthĩri wa irio cia GMO, kuona indo ici nĩ cithũrimĩtwo wega na gũtigĩrĩra itirĩ na ũgwati o wothe kũrĩ mĩĩrĩ ya andũ.
Genetically modified food or products, including the vaccines, the drugs, have been with us for quite some time, and they are really important that we as a country or Kenyans run away from it. And so we are encouraging Kenyans or as a country to be able to accept that the products that come from genetically modified technology are of help to us, is important.
Na kuona nĩ gũkoretwo na guoya wa irio cia GMO gũcũngĩrĩria mũrimũ wa cancer, ataaramu aya marauga mũrimũ ũyũ ũrehagwo nĩ itũmi ingĩ ĩndĩ ti irio iria ikũrĩtio na teknolojĩ ya GMO.
The causes of cancer are well known to us. It is all about our lifestyle decisions, the kind of foods that we eat. We need to go for early screening so that diagnosis is done early. And to confirm this, we know that, like in Kenya, cancer is the third cause of morbidity and mortality. And comparing with other worlds where GMO foods have been accepted, then we can say that we are actually having more cases of cancer. So this is to tell us that GMO foods are not really the cause of cancer, but it's other aspects.
Rĩu mũingĩ ũkĩũrio kũhĩmbĩria GMO kuona nĩ gũteithĩrĩria haraya harĩ kũhũrana na wagi wa irio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Given that we have a population that is increasing in number, and therefore we need to enhance food productivity as it is encapped in the Vision 2030 according to food security, food safety and food sustainability. Definitely health-wise, you find that there are a lot of emerging diseases that need to be streamlined by the implication and utilization of biotechnology through GMO.
Kĩribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV, gĩtagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.
Nĩ ngatho Wanjeri wa Kariuki nĩ riboti ĩyo. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere, o mwaka atumia 5,250 nĩo monekaga na mũrimũ wa kansa ya njĩra ya ũciari, gũkũ atumia 3,286 magĩkua kumana na mũrimũ ũyũ o mwaka. Makĩaria hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano kĩrĩa kĩharĩirio nĩ anyiti itemi na kanitha wa Gatoreki, atongoria matiganĩte nĩ morĩtie thirikari kwarĩra njĩra cia gũthomithia mũingĩ matũũra-inĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ mũrimũ wa kansa na oho kũhũthia ngarama ya ũrigitani. Reke tũthiĩ ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe tũgĩthikĩrĩrie marĩa maragĩthiĩ na mbere thĩinĩ wa kĩgomano gĩkĩ kĩa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
In all public health facilities. So any woman who would walk in and request for screening, they will get that service in government hospitals. And for girls, it is free of charge. No girl should be charged for the vaccine. We have also policy documents that have been done, including the cervical cancer elimination strategy by the WHO, which is focused on getting 90% of girls all vaccinated, 70% of all women screened, and 90% of all women found to have anything suspicious or advanced disease treated. And that is what is called the 90-70-90 elimination strategy. Now, the sad bit is that we have these investments and Kenya is leading amongst African countries in bringing these services. But people are not aware about this. And that is why we need you all as faith leaders as well as people in the media fraternity to be able to take this message to the community. That services are available, investments have been done, policies are there to guide service delivery, and the government is investing in healthcare systems. What will happen is if we have more uptake of these services than is already readily available, we as civil society organizations that sit on various technical working groups, then we'll go back to government to say the service is not enough because people are taking up the services. But right now going back to government to say bring us the services and they're already there and they're not being taken up by the community is really a waste of resources. So let's get our women informed. Let's get men to support the cause of action. Let's get faith leaders to utilize.
Tukitigana na icio tuthi na mbere kamiti ya hinya uria tuthagira ni tafanetie cikaro ceceni-ini igiri cia kambuni ya Kenya Power mwena wa Donholm na Roysambu niguo kwenjera gitumi kia uici munene wa transformer odumwe na transformer nyingi guthuka ceceni-ini ya Roysambu kuri na transformer 10,000 iria citangihuthika ringi giikaro giki gitongoretio ni mubunge wa Ruiru Simon King'ara. Tuthi mwe kwa mwe tugithikiririe maria maragithi na mbere thini wa giikaro giki.
Itabidi chukue muda kidogo ndio tuweze kuyasoma na kuona kama inaambatana na yale tunaona hapa kwa wananchi. Kwa hivyo leo ilikuwa ni kuangalia ni nini natendeka, ni nini iko kwa store. Kama vile mnajua tulianza pale kwa store kwa pale kuko na transformers mpya. Hizi zote zimechapaka hapa, ni zile transformers zimeharibika. Tunataka kujua kama zimekuwa sikidumu kulingana na muda wake, mpango wa muda wake. Kwa sababu inaweza kuwa transformer imenunua leo, kesho ikaharibika. Na kwa sababu tumeitisha orodha na utaratibu ule umetumika kuzileta hapa, hatuweza kusema kama ni zimetumika vibaya au zimetumika vizuri, kwa sababu itabidi tuangalie kwa rekodi yao.
Hivi wakati umeingia hapa Roysambu, wameweza kuwapatia takwimu ya zile transformers zimeharibika na ziezi tengenezwa tena?
Wamesema kulingana na msemo wao, wamesema zile transformers ziko hapa ni zaidi ya 10,000, na vile vile wakasema zile transformers ziko kwa wananchi zile zinatumika ni transformer 90,000 zile ziko nje. Kwa hivyo wakasema hiki ni kitengo kidogo kile kiko hapa, na wamesema vile vile hizi ziko hapa kwa zaidi ya miaka 15. Tumejaribu kuulizia
aya ripoti iyo ni tugukorwo tukihinyirio ni mwandiki witu wa Gitawa Wanjiku uria urakihunga nyingi ciigie maria maragithi na mbere mwena wa Donholm na ku Roysambu ciigie uici wa transformer. Haro ya kuhitana na murimu wa malaria ni ihoretwo njeki guku bururi-ini thutha wa ngirimiti iria ikiranirwo kimabũrũri iria ikuhotithia arutwo kuma university-ini ya Mount Kenya guthie bũrũri-ini wa Jeremani kurikiriria uthuthuria wigie murimu wa malaria. Mubango uyu gukorwo urongoreirie kuhotithia athuthuria guku bũrũri-ini kugia na ugi wa kimabũrũri wigie murimu uyu, na muno makirongoreria uria murimu wa malaria uhutagia atumia aritũ na uria murimu uyu ungihitanwo naguo. Kuringana na munini wa chancellor wa MKU Deogracius Jaganyi, mubango uyu ni umwe wa wiguano na ruhonge rwa kuma Japan uria rukoretwo rugiteithiriria kugacirithia macini cia uthuthuria university-ini ino.
Our researchers are busy doing that kind of work. We are in collaboration with the Japanese JICA, who has supported our laboratory, our equipment, and a number of postdoctoral students to be able to undertake that kind of research.
Research is the cornerstone of any development. No country ever develops without research. Everything that we do, be it the technology we use, the drugs we are given at hospitals or we even take at home, the food we eat, the means of travel we undertake, everything was researched at one time. And as the world challenges continue to be many, we have different diseases coming up. A few years ago we had the COVID-19, and even today we are facing threats of other diseases. And even the diseases that we already have, like malaria and other bacterial infections, they are becoming resistant to current treatments. So we have to continue doing research so that we find better treatments and we're able to tackle those emerging challenges in more informed, better ways.
Our focus group are the antenatal mothers. Those are the pregnant women. We're just trying to find out their level of awareness on how they can prevent malaria, especially the issue of transmission of malaria from the pregnant women to their offspring, that is the young ones. So we are trying to evaluate if our woman is pregnant, are they really aware that there are some measures which should be taken in order to prevent
Makiria ma mbeo njithe 110 matanyitwo kugunika na mbeca iria ikumateithiriria kwambiriria mawira. One kuringana na Karani Njeru uria ni murugamiriri munene wa tafarira ya Nyota akiuga namba nene ya mbeo njithe ni mathomeire kothi cia moko indi matingihota kwiyandika mawira kumana na wagi wa mbeca. Okunake mubunge wa Gicugu Githinji Gicimwa akiuria mbeo njithe gwitikira kuoya mbeca ici me yake mawira-ini mao.
Wa kothi cia moko wa Gicugu kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga nikuo magana ma mbeu njithe mekinyitie mubango-ini wa kurojeki ni thirikari niguo mahote kwambiria mawira mao.
Lazima ukuwe we si graduate.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa tafarira ya Nyota rungu rwa ruhonge rwa kuramata biacara nini Karani Njeru makiria mbeu njithe 110 ni matanyitwo kugunika na kigina gia kwambiriria biacara.
Mahote ku apply year ino na opportunities ino ni kenda mahote gwikuria ke income iria maragwata na mathomo ni kenda mahote makore minus skills na mahote to create opportunities even for other young.
Karani augite mbeu njithe aria mari gatagati wa miaka 18 nginyagia 49 ni megukorwo makiheo kigina giki niguo mahote gwikuria riri gukoretwo na ukunderu wa mieke ya mawira.
Garorie baria tu munthi no turorie makinyo maria tungihota gwika rucio na ni kenda tuhote kuongerera iria tungikorwo twinacio na kuva hope ati kwina uvoteki wa kugia na sustainable income.
Agitongoria mihango ino mubunge wa Gicugu Githinji Gicimwa na uria ukoretwo mwari-ini wa mbere kunyitira mathukuru ma kothi cia moko akiuga namba nene ya mbeu njithe mari na mathomo ma kothi cia moko indi matire na mbeca cia kwambiria mawira.
No nginya nake mundu akorwe na wigiririki nigetha abuthire mbeca icu wega ti mbeca cia kuria mandathi kana cia kuthi kubuthira o buria mundu ekwenda ni mbeca cia gu support ayuthi itu makorwe makiambiria biathara na ayuthi aya miaka iroka nimo magakorwa mamilionea nginya mabilionea na makorwe makiandika nginya andu aria angi ni tuonaga andu matea thomu muno mangiga biathara ringi nimo macoka kwandika nginya ma accountant mena mandingiri.
Gicimwa ni oritie mbeu njithe gwitikira kuoya mbeca ici mambiririe biacara na me yake kuona ni cia thirikari na ti ngombo maraheo.
Gicugu tukorwo twina ma millionaires na mabilionaires miaka iroka kubetukira mubango uyu wa Nyota na angikorwo mundu ni ekubewa 50 cia kwambiriria cia biri mburi ya kubewa itiroragwa magego ni macioe maciihimbirie na marutithie wira tondu nginya hasura fund riria yambiririe mundu abeagwo 500 u ni mubango uraba mundu 50,000 na tia kuriba hasura fund mundu gacoka gakariba na ka interest kanini.
Murutani munene wa thukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Gicugu Joseph Kimemia akiuga kothi cia moko ni irahota kwandika mbeu njithe mawira.
Programu ira ciari ku Musri ira ciari cia JICA tene miaka ya tuge 1990 andu aria marikagia TVET ni maheagwo ga toolbox no ndu ucio no wathire ugithio thirirekeire na aria othe maheirwo toolbox ni no njuge many of them nio marikario bag industry umuthi ugithikario bag industry ni ugukora light industry ni ugukora andu marathondeka ithei ni ugukora andu marathondeka macini.
Mbeu njithe aya magitugiria uteithio uyu makiuga ni mekuhota gwikuria muturire-ini.
Ni tukubota kwambia tuwira ni tukwiga tuwira tondu thaici gutina mawira muno thaici no mundu no aige kawira.
Youth ni kuma 18 to 35 na tutatetero na thu wanarika wenzetu kuma 35 wikuruka nginya 18 no my opportunity ya kuya mbeca icio nigetha na mabote kuingura biathara na mabote kwitheremithia.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma thukuru-ini wa moko wa Gicugu kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.
Ni ngatho muno makiria Wainaina wa Kiarie na tio kuma kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga niyo yatwikira gaturumo mohoro maitu miaraho ino ya umuthi ni tugukorwo tugicemania nawe oro ringi wona cihanda thaa imwe cia hwaini thiini wa mohoro matura-ini. Ngai kwendithiria